made of high-quality PVC and IXPE materials. The surface features a realistic 3D texture, creating an elegant and refined interior atmosphere. Suitable for various indoor spaces such as living rooms, bedrooms, and commercial rental spaces, quickly creating a stylish and premium wall decor effect. First, clean the wall surface. Second, measure the area. Third, cut to the required size. Fourth, peel off the backing film. Fifth, align and stick. Sixth, press gently to secure. Realistic 3D texture with strong visual depth. 2.5 mm thickness effectively covers wall imperfections. Waterproof, moisture-proof, and mildew-resistant. B2 fire resistance certified. Self-adhesive backing, easy to cut and install. Compared with traditional methods, no wet construction or professional labor required. Simply peel and stick. Save time, effort, and cost while achieving the ideal wall decoration effect. Available in various textures, such as rammed earth texture effect, travertine texture, fluted texture, and towel texture, meeting diverse design preferences and interior styles. Contact us now to get the product catalog and pattern samples.